Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this case I'm going to teach you how to fix white screen error in Roblox. So first method, really simple, click Windows and R letter. We just have to type here %app data percentage and we have to search for the Roblox folder. Here in local we search for Roblox folder and then we delete it. Once we do that, we have to make sure that the Roblox application is uninstalled. So we search right here on this tab, we search for Roblox and then we pick this option here that says uninstall. Then it's gonna lead us to all applications, and here in all applications we have to search for the Roblox application right here, and then we have to do right click and uninstall. Okay, now to really make sure that Roblox is all uninstalled, we have to open Google Chrome. This is pretty simple too. We have to go to settings. Here in settings we put privacy and policy. Here we have to choose cookies and all data, and here we choose all data in cookies and we search for Roblox. So here we have to remove all this data from Roblox and we delete it. I don't have any extension, but also if you have any extensions from Roblox, you have to delete it also. Now we just reinstall Roblox. We go to the main page, here roblox.com.download, and we choose download. Automatically it's gonna be downloading. We just have to install the program that we just downloaded, and that should be it. With that, the application should work. Okay, so the second method, if none of this work, is just simply download Roblox from the Microsoft Store. We go to the Microsoft Store, search for Roblox, and we put download and then install the program. Once it's downloaded, we can play Roblox with no problem. So Roblox on the Microsoft Store runs much better and it doesn't crash that often. It almost never crash. So I highly recommend you to just download Roblox from the Microsoft Store. It's completely free. We just put download and as you can see, we can play Roblox. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment, like and subscribe if you like.